welcome back! Today I've got a question for you. How hard it is to make your kids and husbands to eat their veggies? Well, I might have a solution for you, which is hiding your veggies into delicious pasta dishes. We are sharing 3 pasta recipes to celebrate veggies and to make them super tasty. The first recipe is roasted peppers and garlic pasta. Serving for, you will need 3 sweet long peppers, 1 big ripe tomato cut in half, a whole head of garlic, I cut the top out of it, 1 hot chili pepper and a red onion. I just laid all my veggies on a cast iron grill pan and then sprinkled them with some Italian seasoned salt, basically dried herbs and salt, and some good olive oil, lots of it as you can see. Look at that gorgeous veggies, they look already stunning. Then I just placed the pan on a hot BBQ at about 200–250 degrees and let all our veggies cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, our veggies will be roasted, soft and juicy, and they have a nice smoky flavor too. So take your peppers and remove the seeds, the stems and the skin if you like. Then add the onion and the tomato and squeeze the garlic directly into the bowl. Also combine the juice of the veggies, some fresh basil leaves, and about 3 to 4 spoons of Parmigiano Reggiano. And then mix all these bad boys up until you have a smooth salsa. Cook your pasta al dente in salted boiling water. And the magic will come soon, when you'll drain the pasta and then combine it with our lovely roasted peppers and garlic salsa. I don't think you can smell all the delicious aroma coming out from this bowl. It's really magic. And since magic in Italy has a name, don't forget to cover your pasta with some indulgent burrata and toasted pistachios. Heaven! I'm in heaven! The second recipe is roasted tomatoes and Tedesca olives pasta salad. You will need some ripe cherry tomatoes, a head of garlic and a red onion. Again, sprinkle your veggies with Italian seasoning and olive oil and let it cook on a skillet on the BBQ or in oven for 20 minutes at 200 degrees. Then, finely chop some fresh parsley and start chop all your veggies. First, our lovely red onion, and then the tomatoes. It looks a mess now, but you will taste it. Then squeeze the roasted garlic and add the Tedesca olives, and keep chopping and mixing. So cut all your veggies until you have a chunky mix. Move it to a bowl and squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Give it a good stir and taste it. It's perfect on hot bread too, if you have doubt. Last, add some nutritional yeast and add your favorite pasta. We chose fusilli lunghi for this recipe, but you can choose the one you like. Mix all the ingredients and enjoy hot or cold. Last but not least, broccoli carbonara, better if you don't call it carbonara. You'll need 4 fresh yolks, ground pepper and a lot of parmigiano, or better pecorino romano, to obtain a thick, eggy sauce. Cook your spaghetti al dente and drain it. Add them in a bowl with the eggy sauce and whisk like crazy in order to have a super creamy sauce. Add some hot cooking water if needed. Add your blanched broccoli florets, lots of broccoli, so you will not feel guilty about the carbs, and mix again. Serve it hot with some more cheese on top. So, which one would you try? The indulgent, smoky and flavorful roasted pepper garlicky sauce? The fresh and versatile tomato and Tedesca olives pasta salad for your lunchbox and BBQ? Or the cheesy and super rich broccoli fake carbonara? So here we have our 3 beautiful ways to celebrate veggies. I don't know which one is my favorite, but I want to know which one is yours. So don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us a comment below. Bye!